Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Fauzia and I'm from Nutrition 2A. I will to tell you how to cook chicken broccoli sauce with potato. And this recipe is suitable for you who are on a diet, and it can be for 2 servings. And this menu has 526 calories, so for one portion has 260 calories, and I highly recommend for you to try this menu. So let's start cooking. Now I'm going to make a healthy diet, and ingredients that have to be prepared: 150 grams of skinless chicken breast, 18 grams of broccoli, 230 grams of potato, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, half teaspoon salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The first step, we pour cooking oil, salt, and pepper into the chicken, then stir until well blended. Then, the chicken is marinated for 15 minutes. This will make the marinade seep into the chicken. While waiting, we boil the broccoli and potatoes for about 10 minutes, and for potatoes, it can be more than that. And the potatoes and broccoli if the water starts to boil, and occasionally check the maturity by sticking it with a fork. And after that, heat the pan and pour cooking oil. Saute the chopped garlic until fragrant. Then add the marinated chicken and broccoli. And mix well. Add oyster sauce and stir well too. Wait until the chicken is cooked, and when done, turn off the heat and pour into a dish. How was that? How to make a healthy diet menu? Easy, right? And I hope this video can be useful for you guys. So thank you, bye!